Ele's enjoying the hot sun with us too. Oh, Ele. Well, yes, we haven't chained up because we don't have a border to our yard, obviously, and for courtesy of
our neighbors,
walkers and neighbors, we want to make sure our dog doesn't go beyond our property.
We don't want to scare nobody with this vicious guy.
Ow! This dog would not hurt a
Oh, he's attacking me, he's attacking me.
Maybe spanking his butt.
He likes that.
So that there is a minor bird, a very common bird here in Hawaii, and they usually always are in pairs.
There's two more.
Yep, there's those two, and then there's another two right there on the roof of that house. Did you know that minor birds are very trainable and they can actually speak very well like parrots? Oh, I found another pair. See? I'm telling you, they're inseparable. Like humans. 1, 2. I wasn't lying. They always come in twos. Can you see them on the gutter? Oh, could we be wrong? There has to be a fourth one somewhere. Let's just wait and see. There it is. Here he comes. Oh wait.
Yeah, 2, 4, 6.
2, 4, 6. Always even number minor birds. This is Ele living his best life. Oh, and that there is my pet giraffe. It's the first item I bought for our home when we moved in. I thought it resembled peace, happiness, and relaxation. Tranquility. As you can see, it was instilled in my dog, as he is very relaxed and peaceful. And yes, our dog loves to lay down with both paws inverted. Does anyone other dogs do this as well? We find it very funny. After sitting in the hot sun for a while, I was craving some ice cream. For this portion of the video, I'm going to be showing you 4 different ways that you can make 2-ingredient ice cream. Now, of course, this is not going to be your average ice cream. This, in fact, will be a healthier version, which is made from frozen bananas. This hack has been around for years, but today I'm going to pair it with 4 different ingredients, and that will give us 4 different flavored ice creams. Here are the 4 ingredients. The first ice cream I'm gonna make is toasted macadamia nut banana ice cream. For this one and this one only, I am going to puree my frozen bananas and then I'm gonna take it out of my food processor and fold in the macadamia nuts because I don't want it to grind up any more than I already had chopped them. Right here, you'll see how beautifully the banana has whipped up into this very creamy ice cream. You'll be surprised how similar it is in texture to actual ice cream. And if you're not a big banana lover, I mean, this might not be best for you, but the flavor of the banana isn't as strong when you're pairing it up with other ingredients like I'm doing today. You can enjoy this ice cream as is, where it's still nice and soft, almost like a soft serve. I actually think I prefer eating it right away, but for the sake of this video and because I'm gonna do 4 different ingredients, I popped it in the freezer while I continued on with the others. For the rest of the ingredients, I'm going to start it off the same way. I'm going to whip up my frozen bananas until they're nice and creamy, and then I'm going to throw in my second ingredient, blend that well before I transfer it into a container. As far as measurements go, I'm using 8-ounce containers to store my ice cream, and for each flavor I used 2 large bananas and about 1 tablespoon of the second ingredient.